The date today is October 13. Good evening. So just to update you guys, it's been like a week since I posted the video of my lock-in journey. Pero ever since, wala pa akong nasisimulan because there's a lot of happenings pa. Marami akong inasikaso dito sa bahay kasi bumalik na yung kapatid and pamangkin ko from their vacation. Medyo makalat ngayon. This is my room. I'm just here recording myself and just a story time. It's the parang CCS week namin sa school, sa department namin. It's a week-long celebration wherein there's a lot of activities, talks, seminars, parang seminars. They call it tech talks. Now there are 3, and then I attended the first one earlier this morning, and so inspiring yung mga naibigay ng speaker, si Ma'am Sachi. It's about being curious to everything. Sabi niya, if there's a need, there's a way. Hindi siya naniniwala dun sa parang mantra na if there's a will, there's a way. Kasi yung will daw, it's a weak. Parang it's a weak compared to a need. Kasi wag may need ka, you have to find ways talaga to be able to attain such need or goals, ganyan. So yeah, very inspiring. Madami pa akong natutunan to be always innovative, just to with the technical terms, but also solving the real world problems and then give solutions to such problems. And then yeah, it aligns with what my goal is right now, to be more focused with my desire, ganyan. I'm gonna start this week, October 13 right now, and then I'm gonna record the progress I will have siguro by week, ganyan, and a slow progress. Another inspiration, parang na-inspired din ako. My friend Angel, she passed the civil service examination 2025. Yep, the first date niya, and then parang yan, it's inspiring knowing her na madami din binabalance ng mga responsibilities and obligations, both studies, work, and then sa families. So congrats, Jal, if you're watching this, but hopefully not. Yeah, I'm going to just clean my room for today and then start again tomorrow. To continue na photo because I have no storage, but I just wanted to share also that I'm continuing to practice and learn Japanese language. Diba? Maria desu. 23歳です。フィリピンから来ました。That's all. I do know some basic words, phrase, but I'm not in the level that I can formulate sentences quickly or easily, but I'm in the progress. But yeah, that's the goal, to navigate into more specific field that I will have in the current course that I have, and then also to learn Japanese language. But I know it will be hard, and I'm not really sure. I will pray for that. But yeah, that's it for today. So bye bye. Ina-update ko ang aking 22 subscribers sa YouTube. Yeah, 22 na ba? Small progress